Parkinson's disease affects millions worldwide. This debilitating condition robs individuals of their motor skills. Tremors, rigidity, and difficulty with balance become daily challenges. Rohan Sarker, a visionary entrepreneur, founded FlopKar Controller to address this pressing issue. FlopKar's mission is simple: to empower Parkinson's patients and enhance their mobility using cutting-edge technology. At the heart of FlopKar's innovation lies the magnetic pen, a revolutionary device designed to mitigate the impact of tremors. This pen, when used in conjunction with the FlopKar multi-track mobile ship, offers a beacon of hope for those seeking greater independence and control over their movements. FlopKar is not just a product, it is a testament to the power of technology to improve lives. FlopKar's journey is just beginning. The company is actively seeking funding to scale its operations. With its innovative technology and dedicated team, FlopKar has the potential to transform the lives of countless individuals living with Parkinson's disease. The FlopKar mobile ship is no ordinary mobility device. It's engineered to navigate diverse terrains, empowering users to move freely and confidently. Imagine a rugged yet sleek design, capable of traversing indoor and outdoor environments with ease. This mobility goes beyond simple transportation. It's about restoring a sense of freedom and independence. The multi-track design ensures stability and maneuverability, even on uneven surfaces. Whether it's navigating a crowded park or maneuvering through a narrow doorway, the FlopKar ship adapts to the environment. This adaptability is crucial for Parkinson's patients, who often face challenges with balance and coordination. The FlopKar ship provides a stable platform, reducing the risk of falls and instilling confidence in the user's movements. FlopKar Controller takes a holistic approach to understanding and assisting Parkinson's patients. The system integrates electroencephalogram, or EEG, and electrooculogram, or EOG, technologies. This integration allows for real-time tracking of brainwave activity and eye movements. This data provides valuable insights into the user's neurological state. EEG data helps monitor tremor patterns and intensity. By analyzing these patterns, the FlopKar system can anticipate and counteract involuntary movements. EOG data tracks eye movements, which are often affected by Parkinson's disease. This information helps adjust the magnetic pen's sensitivity and provide more precise control. The combination of EEG and EOG data allows FlopKar to create a personalized experience for each user. The magnetic pen is the heart of the FlopKar controller system. This isn't your ordinary writing instrument. It's a marvel of engineering designed to empower users with precision and control. The pen incorporates self-balancing electromagnetic coils. These coils generate counterforces that counteract tremors in real time. Imagine trying to write with a hand that trembles uncontrollably. The magnetic pen acts as a stabilizing force, allowing for smoother, more controlled movements. This technology is not limited to writing. It can be applied to various tasks. From drawing and painting to using a touchscreen device, the magnetic pen opens up a world of possibilities for individuals with Parkinson's disease. It's about restoring a sense of normalcy and enabling users to engage in activities they once enjoyed. Data is king. Real-time movement logging. FlopKar understands the importance of data in managing Parkinson's disease. The system features a sophisticated, real-time dynamic log file management system. This system meticulously records every movement of the magnetic pen, creating a comprehensive record of the user's motor functions. This data is invaluable for both patients and medical professionals. Patients can track their progress over time, monitoring the effectiveness of treatment and identifying potential triggers for tremors. Doctors can use this data to fine-tune treatment plans and make informed decisions about patient care. The log files provide objective measurements of tremor frequency, amplitude, and duration. This information is crucial for understanding the progression of the disease and tailoring interventions to meet individual needs. Section 6. Beyond the prototype. Research and development applications. FlopKar Controller is more than just a product. It's a platform for innovation. The company recognizes the vast potential of its technology in research and development. The mobile chip's adaptability and the magnetic pen's precision make it an ideal tool for studying motor control and neurological disorders. Researchers can use FlopKar to collect valuable data on Parkinson's disease and other movement disorders. This data can lead to a deeper understanding of these conditions and the development of more effective treatments. The real-time data logging capabilities provide researchers with unprecedented insights into the nuances of motor function. This research has the potential to benefit not only Parkinson's patients, but also individuals with other neurological conditions affecting movement. Section 7. The funding landscape. A call for support. FlopKar Controller is at a pivotal stage in its journey. The company has developed a groundbreaking prototype, but it needs funding to scale its operations and bring its product to market. FlopKar is actively seeking investors who share its vision of empowering Parkinson's patients and improving their quality of life. The company is committed to transparency and open communication with potential investors. FlopKar's financial records are available upon request, providing a clear picture of the company's current status and future projections. The initial funding will be used to expand the engineering team, refine the prototype, and conduct clinical trials. FlopKar believes that investing in its technology is an investment in a brighter future for millions affected by Parkinson's disease. Section 8. The future of FlopKar, scaling up and reaching patients. FlopKar Controller has a bold vision for the future. The company aims to become a global leader in assistive technology for Parkinson's patients. The immediate goal is to secure funding to complete product development and obtain regulatory approvals. Once these milestones are achieved, FlopKar plans to establish manufacturing partnerships and build a robust distribution network. The company is committed to making its product accessible and affordable to patients worldwide. FlopKar envisions a future where its technology empowers individuals with Parkinson's disease to live fuller, more independent lives. Section 9. Conclusion. A revolution in mobility and independence. FlopKar Controller represents a paradigm shift in the way we approach assistive technology for Parkinson's disease. It's not just about managing symptoms. It's about restoring dignity, independence, and a sense of control. The innovative combination of the multi-track mobile chip, the magnetic pen, and the sophisticated data logging system sets FlopKar apart. This is just the beginning of FlopKar's journey. With continued support from investors and the medical community, FlopKar has the potential to revolutionize the lives of millions living with Parkinson's disease. The company's unwavering commitment to innovation, coupled with its compassionate mission, makes FlopKar a beacon of hope for a brighter future.